Hello everyone, today we are going to install shaders on Roblox in 2026. The links will be available in description of this video. First, we need to install Fish Strap or Frost Strap. For this tutorial, I will install Frost Strap. Once you complete downloading the setup file, you will install Frost Strap. Select your preferred language and click OK. When the setup window appears, you will have to click Next and Install. After that, you have to click on Install and Launch Roblox and wait for the installation to complete. Now a Roblox window will appear and you will have to close it. After that, we will be installing an old Roblox version to make shaders compatible with it. The given link will help you to install the old Roblox version. After a few minutes, you will have a zip file. Now we will have to open the file location of the Frost Strap. So right click and then click on Open File Location. And here we have to create a new folder to make things easier. You can rename it whatever you want, but I'm renaming it Shader version. After that, we will go to the Downloads folder to extract the zip file we have downloaded. Right click and extract here. Once we got the extracted folder, we will right click, cut, and paste it into the folder we've created before. Get inside in the folder, then right click on the Roblox player beta.exe and create a shortcut. Then move this shortcut to desktop to make things easier. And then you can rename it whatever you want, and I rename it Roblox with shader. Now we will install Maxey's visuals. Once we got into the GitHub page, you should click on Releases and download the zip file just like I did. Your antivirus might get activated and detect it as a virus, but that's completely normal. It's just a false positive. It detects it because it uses injectors to inject itself to Roblox. If this happens to you, just do what I did. Now go back to your browser, click on Downloads, and download again. Now right click and extract it here. Inside of the extracted folder, you should have 3 exe files. Now we shall install one more thing. After renaming the folder and moving it to desktop, open your browser and search download reshades. You can also find this link in description too. Once you got into the home page, if you have any issues with loading it, you might want to enable a VPN to download it. I'm using Cloudflare Warp for that. Once you enable the VPN, you will access the web page successfully. Now you just click on accept or decline and just continue. Click on download button and then click on download reshade with full add-on support. Now after downloading it, go to the file location and double click on it to execute. You will get a warning pop-up. Just simply click on OK, then click on browse and then find the Maxey's visuals folder we've put on the desktop and click on new overlay exe and click on open. After that, click next, don't touch anything here, it's really important. Then uncheck all and then click on check all to install all of the effects. After finishing the download, you will just click on next and then finish. Now you can close every tab and go to your desktop. Then click on the shader folder, double click on the launcher.exe to launch it. If you get another security warning like I did, do the same steps. And try launching launcher.exe once again. After that, launch the shader version of the Roblox we put on desktop. If it kicks you from your Roblox account just like it happened to me, it's probably because you forgot to turn off your VPN. So if this happens to you, simply just turn it off and log in. After that, go back to the shader folder and launch new injector.exe. If you get an error just like I did, you can do the same steps, or you can simply turn off your antivirus's real-time protection for a while. As you guys can see, it's stuck on this screen because I didn't turn off my antivirus and I did a step wrong. So just go back to Windows Security, manage settings and disable real-time protection. You can enable this later. And just do the same steps. Close Roblox, launch launcher.exe. After that, launch Roblox. And once Roblox gets launched, you can just launch new injector.exe. After waiting for a while, you should get this text which says enter any key to continue. And then you should launch new overlay.exe. Now you're successfully running Reshade, and the first initialization might take a while, but this won't happen every time you enable shaders, so this is a one thing only. And once it completes, join any game you want. And then press on Shift Tab. Then you will get a blue window. It should say pipe connection active. Drag that blue window to somewhere else and then press home key on your keyboard. Now you can click on skip tutorial and then click on the big blue button I clicked. And then set the reshade depth input is reverse value to 1 and then click on apply. After you complete the second initialization, you will have this menu, and to test things, go to the search bar and type SSR. Activate any SSR effects you want and check if the reflections are working. They should work fine, and if they don't, there will be my Discord username and Maxey's Visuals Discord server in the description, so you can join and request help. As you guys can see, the reflections are working on me, so you can install presets from the Discord server and enjoy. For the remaining gameplay video, I will use Pixel Perfect preset I got from the Discord server.